Hello students, these are the next three exercises from the chapter number 15, halving and doubling. These are the next three exercises number 125, 126 and 127. Let's start with exercise number 125 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We think there is no longer any doubt that within the next few years the motion picture industry will undergo a marked change. We are informed that the natural gas industry has a wonderful future. Please do not ship the remainder of our order until the latter part of September. We can send you information of a general nature only. If you need further particulars, therefore, it would be better to arrange for an interview with the writer of this letter. Our sales increased in November and December, and we hope that the improvement will be maintained for the remainder of the winter. Educators in the past few years have taken great interest in the development of character, for it is believed that the nation's future depends upon the character of its citizens rather than upon their knowledge. I am interested in your refrigerator. Will you kindly send a full description of it as well as the total cost installed in my home? I wish to install a refrigerator not later than the end of this week, so I shall be obliged if you will let me have this information promptly upon receipt of this letter. The invention of the typewriter rendered shorthand a very valuable art. In order to meet the demands of the business world, it is necessary to be an accurate shorthand writer and a skillful operator of the typewriter. The two subjects are sometimes called the twin arts. The object of your shorthand training is to enable you to take dictation so that you may write the matter dictated rapidly. In order that you may acquire a high degree of skill in writing from your shorthand notes, you should typewrite the letters or other matter dictated in your lessons as often as you possibly can. Next is exercise number 126 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Within the last few years, the number of motor scooters making their way along the roads of our country has been rapidly increasing, and we think there is very little doubt that this method of travel has a great future. The motor scooter has in many cases replaced the bicycle of earlier days because it is swifter and smarter. It has many supporters, especially in the remoter districts which are out of the way of the railways, where it represents a means of bringing people into closer touch with the large centers. Because of the small size of the motor scooter, which renders it easy to manage on narrow roads, many people are favorably disposed towards it. This feature can be better understood if we picture a large vehicle seeking to pass a scooter on a narrow road. Those who object to motor scooters do so because, in their opinion, motor scooters are adding to the amount of traffic already on our roads. But the scooter is safer and less noisy than the motorcycle and will, we think, be used by more and more people in the future. Next is exercise number 127 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. My dear sir, on behalf of our clients, Messrs. Cantor and Walters, who have requested us to represent their interests in the matter of the leasehold on the building at 129 Wharf Street, we wish to inform you that we have their permission to obtain a court order under the terms of which you will not be able to alter the front of the building. We think there is no doubt that the terms of the lease have been violated, and in our opinion it will be to your interest to stop any further operations until a decision has been rendered by the court. Very truly yours. So these are the next 3 exercises from the chapter number 15 हाविंग एंड डबलिंग. आप लोगों को कुछ भी पूछना हो, कुछ भी परेशानी हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.